Hello friends, my name is Raza Masood. Today we will discuss about what is knowledge management. Friend, this is a very common term normally used in discussions in meetings. So I decided to make a very simple video about this topic. So if any person is going to give an exam of computer science or information management, so this topic, this video could be very helpful for him or her. And also, if you are a professional and already working as a professional IT professional, so this information, this knowledge management video would be very helpful for you to understand what is knowledge management. So today we will discuss about this topic in detail, and I will try my level best to explain the concept of knowledge management in a very easy to understand manner. My purpose of making this video is that to explain the term in a very simple manner. I want that everyone can understand. They can understand what does that mean by knowledge management. So if they see any question in exam related to knowledge management, so that they can easily give answer about it. Or if they are already a professional or working in a professional environment in any organization or company, so they know that what does it mean by knowledge management, and they can understand it easily and use this term accordingly. So my purpose of making this video is just to share my thoughts, my knowledge about the term knowledge management, so that everyone can understand, and they can use the concept of knowledge management by understanding it, and they can also share them accordingly. They can also help other people as well. So let's start the topic. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell option as well, so that my new videos can reach to you. What is knowledge management? Let's start. What is knowledge management? What do you think that what is knowledge management? Friend, knowledge means meaningful data. Knowledge. What is the difference between data and knowledge? Knowledge is a thing which we learn from experiences, which means some meaningful data, meaningful information, which has some meaning. Data means it does not mean that it gives you some information, but knowledge means it is a meaningful data. It means meaningful information. So that is called knowledge. Now coming towards main topic, knowledge management. So, friend, knowledge management means management of information. In general sense, if we talk about knowledge management, means that we are managing the information in a proper way. What information required by what person, which person has to access which information is very necessary for which person. So that means there is some information system, there is some knowledge management system which control the information, which manage the information. Okay, so this is called our knowledge management. Friend, if you are a student, maybe you have seen some systems in labs, in libraries, for example. So all these systems are very important because it gives you information. Like for example, if you are working in a library, and you want to know that is this particular book available in the library or not, so you can just click on the library management system and get to know that this particular book is available or not. Similarly, if you are working in a company, in a multinational organization, and you want to know that that the particular document or particular scope document is available at this location or not, so by using the information system, you can get to know about it. So I'm just giving you very simple examples of knowledge management. Just try to understand that knowledge management is any system that helps people in an organization share, access, and update business knowledge and information. Are you getting my point? That in an organization we use knowledge management systems so that if, for example, if you need some information, so I can share it with you, I can provide it with you, and if these documents need to be updated, so I can update it, and you can get notified that these particular documents have been updated. So friend, knowledge management system in an organization, they are very very important. They are having very big importance, have very high importance in an organization, because information or meaningful data is very important, because on basis of information we take decisions, we act accordingly. So knowledge or information is very important. Now coming towards the examples of knowledge management system, like for example, give you I want to give you some few very basic level of examples so that you can uh, just understand and keep in your mind that what does that mean by management. Like in organization, cross training programs are available. Cross training programs are available means that, for example, these are also systems for trainings. For example, you want to get knowledge, you want to get training, and some person is sitting in for example in USA, and he wants to give the training, and some other person is sitting in India, Sri Lanka, Pakistan. So they can get the training from there. So cross training programs are is also an example of knowledge management system. Other one is document management system. Document management system, for I'm hopeful that you use that one. For example, Google Drives, Dropbox, all these are a very simple example or very basic examples of document management. If you haven't used document like Google Drive or Dropbox, etc., let me give you a very simple example that for example 50 MB file is there, and you want to share it with me. So what you can do, you can just upload that file on the Google Drive or Dropbox and just share the link with me, and I can download that file from the link which you have provided to me. The advantage of that, for 50 MB file, can't send it through email or like that, so I can share that file with the Google Drive or Dropbox. So this is a very important system to share information, to share knowledge. Then next is the content management system. Very popular example of content management system is SharePoint. SharePoint is very important. For example, if you want to give some notification, you want to share the documents, like all important documents, scope document, project documents, contract documents, etc. So you can share it on the SharePoint, and also you can put some access management on it. Like for example, the contract documents can only be accessible to the business level, the project documents will be accessible to only the project team, project management team. The graphic designs documents will be available to only graphic design team, graphic design team. The next one is the social networking tools. These tools are also very important. The example of social networking tools are Facebook, Slack. Friend, Facebook and Slack are also very important. Why? Because you can share information through Facebook as well. Slack is also very important nowadays. Many people use Slack for management of projects, because you can share knowledge, you can message, you use messaging on the Slack. The other one is the chatbots. Friend, what is chatbot? It maybe you seen it as a new tool, but honestly, it is not new tool. Spoke use like AI to it is a AI tool or machine learning to respond to employee questions and request for information. For example, chatbots, basically it is a AI based tool, and whenever, like for example, it's you can just imagine it as a chat box, where we you just type some info question, and it, by using the AI or artificial intelligence, it will give you information. Like for example, if any person type in a chat box, like I want to know about I want to know about the business intelligence, so it will give you information, it will respond you that this information is available here. For example, you want to know about the business analysis, project management, so it will respond you according to your question by using the AI intelligence. Okay, so this is also very important tool, chatbots. Friends, I have tried my level best to explain the concept of knowledge management. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and colleagues. And I hope that I explained the concept of knowledge management in a very easy to understand manner. If you like it, please share it with your friends and colleagues. And that's all from my side. Thank you. Thanks a lot. And that's all from my side. Thank you.